Company Profile. History. Since 1967, the passion and hard work of northeast Italy has been reflected in the Dalzotto family and in what over time has become the La Nordica Extra Flame Group. A Vicenza-based company, constantly expanding both in Italy and internationally, offering a range of more than 200 high-tech wood and pellet-fired products, generating energy for home heating. These include stoves, ranges, fireplaces and boilers, which can also be connected to radiators to become genuine heating installations, an innovation benefiting consumers with significant savings on energy costs and the environment because wood is a renewable energy source. A story of quality and constant innovation, confirmed by the most important European certificates, places the group's products at the top of the market. The group. More than just statistics, the La Nordica Extra Flame Group has reached a prestigious international position thanks to its 5 production plants and storage sites covering a total of about 70,000 square meters throughout the Vicenza area. Where a strictly made-in-Italy production process is backed by constant technical research to improve and create new, efficient products for supply in more than 40 countries through the company's sales network. In addition, technical and sales staff attend constant training and refresher courses in the training center with its 6 themed rooms, enabling them to satisfy all the end users' needs. Design. The care, imagination and design precision typical of the Italian industrial culture are combined with a philosophy of saving and respect for the environment. The result is modern products made exclusively in Italy and recognized internationally for their high aesthetic and functional quality. Made in Italy excellence is reflected in all lines of La Nordica Extra Flame products, where ergonomics, meticulous attention to style and detail, imagination, and zero environmental impact become essential priorities and prerogatives. Technology. La Nordica Extra Flame products are the most modern and sophisticated way to heat the home. Designed, constructed, and tested exclusively in Italy, in-depth research into constructional and environmental aspects ensures low emissions and minimum pollution, combined with top efficiency and great savings. The constant and continuous developments aimed at improving performance include innovations for perfect combustion of wood or pellets, new techniques such as automatic loading of logs in wood-fired stoves, the possibility of connecting the thermoproducts to radiators, and advanced electronics in pellet-fired products with the possibility of remote control and optimizing power according to the existing heating installation. To facilitate comprehension of the various pluses, La Nordica Extra Flame has summarized the technological features of its products in a series of simple icons to immediately identify the technology associated with any particular product. Certificates. Applied technology. When buying La Nordica Extra Flame products in Italy or abroad, certification with the most prestigious international quality marks provides an absolute guarantee. These marks mean our products comply with the severe general quality and heat output criteria and respect the carbon monoxide emission parameters established by the most rigorous European standards. The marks have been obtained thanks to constant research and testing by our technical team using the most advanced instruments. Uninterrupted research and numerous tests guarantee the absolute safety of our products. CE, Mark of Conformity to European Standards. EN 14785, European Reference Standard for residential space heating appliances fired by wood pellets. EN 13240, European Reference Standard for room heaters fired by solid fuel. EN 303-5, European Reference Standard for heating boilers for solid fuels. 15A B-VG, Compliance with Article 15 of the Austrian Federal Constitution Law on Environmental Protection Measures. SINTEF, Norwegian Type Approval Certificate. VKF, Quality Certification from the Swiss Fire Protection Body. Utlåtande, Swedish Type Approval Certificate. HETAS, Certificate from the English official body for the control of wood and pellet-fired appliances. DEFRA, Certificate from the English Department for Environment, Food and Rural Affairs. MCS, British Microgeneration Certification Scheme Certificate for Incentive Schemes. GOST, Certificate of Compliance with Russian Safety Regulations. EN 13229, European Reference Standard for inset appliances including open fires. EN 12815, European Reference Standard for residential cookers fired by solid fuel. Type Approval Laboratories La Nordica, RRF. TÜV, Kiva, Tuvien, IMQ, CMC. Research and Development. The La Nordica Extra Flame R&D department is constantly committed to developing, testing and improving the performance of the company's appliances, maintaining its development methods and operational structure constantly up to date. Product Lifecycle Management. A new collaborative work system known as PLM has been introduced based on an information system interfacing with all the group's technologies and production and organizational processes. It enables the product's life cycle to be managed strategically from conception through development and market launch to possible modifications, optimizing quality and production times. Ances Cfd Flow. The Ances Cfd Flow fluid dynamic software enables the heat exchange and efficiency of high-performance, low-emission heat generators to be evaluated in advance and in 3D from the design phase. Component Engine. This software manages and creates interactive spare parts catalogs. The new work tool eliminates order management errors, reduces machine downtime, and generally reduces the times and costs of order fulfillment. Training. Our thoughts always go to the consumer. Product training and information are indispensable for both the technical team performing installation and maintenance, and for those responsible for advising customers in choosing an appliance. The company has therefore set up a customer services department dedicated to providing training and refresher courses held by expert teachers on technical and commercial themes throughout the year in the special training center with its 6 interactive themed laboratories. Customer services centers. Our emphasis is on constant protection for consumers. To guarantee rapid, precise service on its products over the years, the La Nordica Extra Flame Group has set up and consolidated a network covering the whole of Italy with qualified, authorized technicians kept constantly up to date on product and service innovations and with a hotline to customer service. So not just technical assistance, but consultancy covering the whole of the La Nordica Extra Flame system for the home. The advice of customer services is valuable and reliable. Production. The lines. All production takes place in the group's factories, where substantial investments enable the company to operate with new technologically advanced equipment. Production is backed by attention and professionalism, from molding, bending and cutting to assembly of the semi-finished elements performed on highly advanced, innovative assembly lines. La Nordica Extra Flame warms up your life.